what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, this is so weird for me. My MacBook broke on me, so I am literally doing everything on my phone right now. So y'all let me know how I did, like the editing, the voiceover, all of that. So as you can see, I am going to be showing you these bomb spring twists that I was able to create. So as you can see, the hair that I have, I am not sure off the top of my head right now. Y'all know I just said that I'm struggling doing this voiceover with my phone. I am not sure where I got the hair from as of right now, but I will pop it up on the screen. I did use about 2.5 packs. Just depends on how thick your hair is. You may not have to use that many. I'm gonna be popping up on the screen and showing you the products that I did use as well. I definitely recommend all of the products that I'm going to be showing because they made doing this style a breeze. So as you can see, the hair, it comes in this cute spring twist form. The curl is very uniform, so you just want to make sure you go ahead and you separate the curl. Now for each twist, I did only use one piece of hair. I know most people, to go for a thicker type of twist, they do use two. For me, I only used one. So I went ahead and I just took the twist and I started from the bottom and I unraveled the twist at the bottom, and then I worked my way up to the top. Again, these are going to be individual twists. You just want to separate the hair so that it doesn't have that uniform feel, and you can go ahead and add that inside of your hair. So I didn't show it on the screen, but I did go ahead and I sectioned my hair into 3 sections. And for me, it was easier for me to work this way because number one, child, I got a lot of hair. I do have a lot of hair. So for me, I just split my hair into 3 different sections and I worked my way in those sections. To be honest, I can't tell you if I did big, medium, small, medium. I don't know, honey. I just was taking my comb and just making little parts in different sections of hair. So going to take your hair, so as you do the part, you're going to take your hair and you're going to split it into 2 parts. From then, I did go ahead and take the Murray's wax. With that, you're going to take the hair, put the hair up on your head, and you're going to match one of the strings of the spring twist hair with one of the strings of your hair. Then you're going to have one of the strings of the spring twist hair and a string of your hair. So that should give you 3 different parts. Let me say that one more time. You're going to have the spring twist mixed with your natural hair. That's 1 part. You're going to have your natural hair. That's 2 parts. And then you're going to have the spring twist hair. That's 3 parts for you to go ahead and plait the hair down. So I went ahead and I plaited the hair down maybe, I don't know, like an inch or so. It just depends on you and what you want to do. I just plaited it a little bit, and what I did was I took my natural hair that was left by itself and the spring twist hair that was left by itself, and I added those together. So when you add it together, it mimics the other part of your hair that was already mixed in with the spring twist hair, and then you're just gonna twist. I really hope that made sense. If it doesn't make any sense, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna show you over and over again what I'm talking about. But for me, it was easier for me to do it like that, so that you have 3 sections and then you add the hair with the spring twist hair and just twist it down. It was very easy. It was secure. You didn't really have to worry about it sliding out when you do it this way because of the way that it's connected with the actual spring twist hair. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let y'all watch this video, and then I'm gonna pop in at the end with the sledge because y'all know how I do. Now that all of our twists are completed, we're just gonna go ahead and add some foaming mousse. This to me further sets the hair. It actually just pretty much got everything together and intact, all the flyaways, all of that good stuff. The foaming mousse definitely helps. If you don't have any styling mousse, you can use like regular mousse. I just suggest that you use a mousse that is alcohol free, because to me it works a little bit better up against natural hair. So as you can see, girl, this is what we got. I am absolutely in love with these twists. As y'all can see, my edges are looking a little crazy. I don't really like to style my edges into the end of my look, so that's the reason why they're looking like that. But as you can see, we was able to create this look at the comfort of our own home. I believe this is a less than $20 look. I believe the hair that I got from Amazon is about $15. I got 3 packs. So yeah, we achieved this look for $15 in the comfort of our own home, and we didn't have to break the bank to do it. See, I'm telling y'all, like, I got y'all. This is what I love so much about what I do, to show y'all cute, affordable, natural styles that is going to last you. You can do this on yourself, your daughters, your cousins, your mom, your aunties, whoever. This is something that is very easy. It only took me about 6 hours to do. As you can see, they are individual, so you can put them up into a ponytail. You can do so many different styles with these. So they're definitely versatile. Y'all, let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.